Now parsing the input string using the operator precedence table. For this we are drawing the parsing table with 4 columns: stack, relation, input string and action. Pushing $sign onto the stack and writing the input string here, id plus id asterisk id, writing dollar at the end. Now comparing dollar and id. From the operator precedence table, dollar and id has got lesser precedence, so write down less than symbol. And whenever there is less than symbol, perform shift action. Whenever there is greater than symbol, perform reduce operation. Less than symbol, perform shift. Greater than symbol, perform reduce. So shifting one symbol onto the stack, that is id. Comparing id and plus, id has got greater precedence, so writing greater than. Whenever there is greater than symbol, reduce. Reducing id by e, in the place of id writing e. Comparing e and plus, if you look at this table, there are only terminals here, no non-terminals, so you cannot compare e with id plus. So going to the next symbol onto the stack, which is dollar. So comparing dollar and plus, dollar has got lesser precedence, so writing lesser than sign, and action performed is shift action. Shifting plus onto the stack and comparing plus and id. With plus and id, plus has got lesser precedence, so shift action, shifting id onto the stack, id and asterisk, id has got greater precedence, so we need to perform reduce. E reduces id, in the place of id reduce it by e. Now writing e in the place of id. id you cannot compare, so going to the next symbol on the stack, which is plus and asterisk. Plus has got lesser precedence, so shifting one symbol onto the stack and comparing asterisk and id. Asterisk has got lesser precedence than id, so again performing shift action, shifting id onto the stack, and here you have got id and dollar. Id has got greater precedence, so perform reduce action, reducing id by e, so writing e in the place of id. Again cannot compare e and dollar here, so comparing the next symbol on the stack, which is asterisk. So comparing asterisk and dollar, asterisk has got greater precedence than dollar definitely, so reduce action, reducing e asterisk e by e. So in the place of e asterisk e, write down e. You cannot compare e with dollar, so going to the next symbol, that is plus on the stack, plus and dollar. Definitely plus has got greater precedence, so reduce again, e plus e by e. E plus e, in the place of e plus e, write e. Comparing dollar and dollar, we get accept. So this input string id plus id asterisk id is accepted by this grammar. Thank you.